अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आज हम आपके लिए लाए हैं 20 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs ऑफ 12th केमिस्ट्री चैप्टर नंबर 8। तो आइए चलते हैं फर्स्ट MCQs की तरफ। सो द फर्स्ट MCQs इज प्रिपरेशन ऑफ वेजिटेबल घी इन्वॉल्व्स हेलोजिनेशन, हाइड्रोजिनेशन, हाइड्रोक्सिलेशन और डिहाइड्रोजिनेशन। तो आप अपना करेक्ट आंसर सोचिए। यू हैव ओनली 5 seconds। The correct answer is hydrogenation. The next MCQs is about which type of reactions are given by alkanes. The options are polymerization, elimination, addition or substitution. And the correct option is substitution. The next MCQs is the most reactive hydrocarbon is ethene, acetylene, heptane or ethane. And the correct answer is ethene. The next MCQs is about formula of chloroform is CH3Cl, CCl4, CH2Cl2 or CHCl3. And the correct answer is CHCl3. The next MCQs is cycloalkanes and alkenes contain which general formula? And your options are given below. The correct option is CnH2n. The next MCQs is about which of the following is not alicyclic, and the options are cyclohexene, cyclobutene, toluene या cyclopentene. And the next MCQs is about unsaturated nature of alkane can be detected by decolorization of red Br2 water in decolorization of pink color of KMnO4 solution. Option C ozonolysis and option D all. So the correct answer is all, option D. The next MCQs is the addition of unsymmetrical reagent to an unsymmetrical alkane is in accordance with the rule, and the options are given below. And the correct option is Mann-Kovnikov's rule. The next MCQs is vinyl dihalides on treatment with zinc dust give alkenes, alkynes, alkanes or all of them. And the correct answer is alkenes. The next MCQs is formula of Linder's catalyst is, and the options are on the below side. And the correct answer is PDBASO4 quinoline. The next MCQs is synthetic rubber is made by the polymerization of chloroform, acetylene, divinyl acetylene or chloroprene. And the correct answer is chloroprene. The next MCQs is about ammoniacal solution of silver nitrate reacts with 2-pentyne, ethene, tubutine or ethyne. And the correct answer is ethyne. The next MCQs is polymerization of acetylene forms propane, butane, benzene or naphthalene. And the correct answer is benzene. The next MCQs is the number of xylene isomers is 2, 3, 4 or 5. The correct answer is 3. The next MCQs is number of acidic hydrogens present in 1-butene is 1, 2, 3 or 4. And the correct answer is 1. The next MCQs is chemically Bayer's reagent is 1% alkaline KMnO4, 1% acidic KMnO4, 15% alkaline KMnO4 or 2% alkaline KMnO4. And the correct answer is 1% alkaline KMnO4. The next MCQs is, which of the following gases is used for artificial ripening of fruits? And the options are ethene, ethine, methane, or both A and B. And the correct answer is both A and B. The next MCQs is, hydroxylation of alkene can be carried by alkaline KMnO4, O3, H2SO4 या K2Cr2O7. The correct answer is alkaline KMnO4. The next MCQs is, acetylene has a characteristic smell resembling that of rotten egg, garlic, spicy like या none of the above. And the correct answer is garlic. Next and the last MCQs is about, when ethylene ozonate is treated with zinc dust we get ethanol, methanol, methanol or ethanol. And the correct answer is methanol. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you like our video, then please subscribe the channel and wait for the more videos. Allah Hafiz.